Nature Hike NH17A012B camping hiking bag is very lightweight and made of water-resistance material. With its folding design, it is convenient to store and portable. It has adjustable and shoulder straps, which is soft and comfortable for carrying, and best sports backpack for outdoor use. This is a multifunction backpack specialized for outdoor sports, traveling and business trip. It's sturdy and durable with larger holding capacity. IPRI USB Electric Arc Lighter Igniter Starter is a great tool to have in your kitchen or in your camping trip. This metal body igniter gun is powered by rechargeable lithium-ion battery and operated electrically. There is no need to fill it with fuel, and this environmentally friendly igniter creates no flame and can light fire in any weather. It has USB recharging capabilities and comes with a USB charging cable. It's a very convenient and travel-friendly gadget. Blitzwolf BWT1XPG3S4 750 lumens portable tactical LED flashlight is extremely lightweight, compact yet a powerful flashlight. The flashlight is IPX8 waterproof, and its both front and rear internal mounted springs protects it from shocks and drops. The flashlight is made with aerospace aluminum alloy. This 108-gram flashlight has 750 lumens brightness to a distance up to 147 meters. Fully charged device can run up to 19.9 hours long. IPRI Nylon Double Hammock is lightweight, portable and handy. It's made of strong parachute nylon fabric, which is durable and easy to clean and dries quickly after being wet. It comes with 2 strong ropes and is equipped with hook holder for convenience. The 520-gram parachute hammock also comes with a drawstring sack for storage and use. Blitzwolf Amp Core Turbo BWT-C9 Type-C charging cable is one of the best Type-C charging cable available right now in the market. Comes with a ribbon to keep the cable organized at all time. Enjoy data transfer speed of up to 5 Gbps, which is more than 10 times faster than USB 2.0 cables. It's made with flexible and durable strong braided wire sheath, can be bent over 5,000 times with no change in performance. Its gold-plated reversible connector heads won't corrode over time and provide unrivaled long-term conductivity that engineered with 22 AWG power and 32 AWG data. Tin copper wire cores made fast charging and data transfer efficient. It supports 3.6 to 12 volt fast charging at up to 3A, and is compatible with most devices that have USB Type-C ports. Nature Hike FS15U005 Ultraline Ultralight Portable Waterproof Storage Bag is made of high-strength waterproof fabric and sealing using convolution-type design to ensure and maximize waterproofing. The design is humanized and can be used as life belt. It has adjustable neck strap and can be compressed for carrying convenience. Multi-volume selection available to allow maximum storage unit depending on personal preference. Nature Hike NH17C001B multifunction travel wallet has many amazing functionality that will surely make your travel time more convenient and easy. It has 10 different sizes compartment where you can put your phone, cards, passport and tickets. There are even 2 zipper pockets for cash and coins. The travel wallet is made of polyester water-repellent fabric that provides protection for inner items. IP Air inflatable lazy sofa and travel lay bed is an awesome leisure accessories to have. The square-headed double-layered sofa don't need inflator pump and can be inflated against wind within 10 seconds. This waterproof and anti-tearing lazy sofa is made of 210D Oxford cloth and can bear approximately 200 kilograms of load. It's portable and comes with a storage bag to carrying around in store. The Blitzwolf BWLT9 light is very useful and looks very elegant. It has a egg-like shape which is made with ABS shell and PC transparent cover. The right lighting can create a warm, cozy and homely environment, making you feel relaxed and energetic. Sporting a gentle and elegant appearance, the BWLT9 color night light touch lamp from Blitzwolf can serve this purpose without emptying your pocket. It can be a good companion for reading as its 4000 K color temperature is comfortable for eyes. Its wide angle provides 240-degree wide light output. It has multicolor RGB rainbow lights which can be activated by touch and hold on the top of the shell. A full 2-hour charge will give it about 4 hours of light. The light is touch controlled for turning it on and off. This can be a great addition for your room. This BWAS1 have completed twice the crowdfunding goal. It was selected in dozens of designs. The sleek metal anodized finish looks not only elegant but also scratch resistant. IT can produce total 20 watt of high fidelity sound by dual 10 watt drivers. The speaker deepens the low frequency range and generates a balanced frequency response. Its very gentle bass and balanced treble which in combine creates soothing listening experience which is unmatched in its price range. The speaker has 5200 mAh Li-ion battery which can be charged fully in less than 3 hours and can provide 7 to 11 hours of music play. Having Bluetooth 4.1 easy connectivity, it also comes with 3.5mm jack and a clear noise isolating microphone which seamlessly connects to your phone and offers crystal clear communication and receive hands-free calls. You can easily switch tracks and play and resume tracks by pressing the buttons on the top of the speaker. Overall, in its price range, it's a great value for a high build quality speaker which also sounds very premium.